Bought a new chair. I've been sitting in a chair that we bought about 5 years ago from a local store. It's not very comfortable. It does the job, but the recline has always seemed to be faulty. It doesn't support the upper position. It always wants to recline to about 45 degrees. I've spent days, weeks, years trying to change the mechanism around, thinking that maybe when I constructed it wrong, put the mechanism in the wrong way. It's just been an issue. When I'm editing videos at my computer, I just can't sit up straight, and when you sat there for hours, it's just a pain in the backside. So I decided to get a new chair. I've searched the internet, and as everybody knows, the options are just vast. So while pondering the decision, I remembered my son has got a gaming chair that he's had for about 6 years. So I thought I'd go and check that out, and just gobsmacked at the quality still. The state of the chair is just still brilliant condition after all this time, and it's been literally hammered. He's never out of that chair, and still the condition is amazing. Now, the chair is made by Secret Lab, and it's the Batman themed one. So I went and had a look at Secret Lab on their site. There's quite a lot of choice. I didn't want really a themed one. I think I'm a bit old for that, and I didn't want the Batman one that my son's got, so I decided to go for the Titan Evo. Built that one myself. I'll show you how I did that now.
ISO, Dama. Woo! Hey, it's too many lies, too many lies. Hey, it's too many lies, too many lies. Yo, it's too many. Hey, it's too many. Yo, it's too many. Yo, it's too many lies. Look in my eyes, they know I'm the truth. They know that. Knocking them down every time I step in the booth. We ain't gotta lie, they know we the vibe, we living in proof. It's young, conscious, shoot my life a movie, I live in a spoof. Ain't no sticking around, I'm on the move, I'm checking the deuce. Yeah, it's only us two, so you know we copping that coupe. We on the roof, smoking dope, look at the view. Yeah, we used to chill on the stoop, now we out here breaking the news. It ain't what you really could do, cause we ain't got nothing to lose. We ain't switched side with no cruise, we just stayed out of the loop. Now we out here letting it loose, every shot we took it was swoosh. Gotta get it, ain't no excuse, ain't left the proof. Hey.
There's not much difference between the chair that I got and the chair that my son's got. Construction-wise, they're the same colour, but obviously mine's not themed Batman. And the only difference that I can see is the actual pillar. The pillar is now magnetic, whereas before, or the one my son's got, it's strapped on. And the good thing about this is, obviously, it can be moved up and down to go behind your head or behind your neck. The support is fantastic. The reclining system is more like a car. It has like a handle that you pull like a car. And the pressure you put on, that will set the recline. So you can recline like that, and then as soon as you let go of the handle, that sets the recline, the angle, and that goes back as far as you want. It's obviously got height adjustment, also has handle adjustment, so the armrests here are adjustable up and down. You can also adjust the angle in or out just with the press of a button. Also, the armrest covers are also detachable, so if you wanted to, you could detach them and replace them with another set or another theme set. I'm sure that they're coming out with a cushion set, if I remember rightly, so you can buy them separately and add them accessories on top of that. And also Secret Lab do other accessories as well. I'll drop a link below if you want to go and have a look at that. But yeah, this chair is just next level for me personally. Coming from the chair that I had, it's fantastic. And looking at how old my son's chair is, how robust the chair's been, and how much it's managed to stand up to and still look pristine, still look amazing. They're just a testament to how good they are. They're mid-range, then obviously not as expensive as some chairs can go into the thousands, but I did want some comfort and I also wanted some amount of durability. The one that my son's got, that's had thousands of hours of torture. That's why ultimately I made that decision to go with that brand, just because I was able to see the reliability and the durability in real time through my son's chair. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.